any birth in Vrindavan will be great. Because you're a Vaishnava, and as it says in 644 of Gita, Purva Abhyasena Yavasha Riyate. Automatically, you'll pick up and start off the same type of bhajan, the same type of sadhya and sadhana that you were accomplished in and were practicing in last life. So he's born in a Brijvasi family, he's a Brahmin, Krishna Bhargavaji, Pandit Krishna Bhargavaji. But somehow he's feeling some inclination for the Gaudiya line of Gaudiya Siddhanta. Not the line, but the Gaudiya Siddhanta and the Gaudiya conception. So he's looking there. Many of his brothers and godbrothers, not godbrothers, but fellow Brijvasis, they're not interested in the Gaudiya idea. So that's okay.
They are Vallabhpuri.
Yeah.
Vallabhpuri Sampradaya.
Yeah, different, whatever. So your parents maybe, just like his parents, I don't know, his parents may not be Gaudiya, but he's a Gaudiya. Or some Gaudiya Brahmins, from Brijvasi Brahmins, they live over across the street, I think. Gordas and Chotagor, Baragar, I don't know, whatever. There's nice devotees over there. So you see that. So what? They'll have no fear. Okay, I'll be born in a Brahmin Brijvasi family, and maybe my parents are Nimbarkis, or like the standard Nimbark or Vallabha, and I go to Gaudiya. The parents aren't going to lock me up. They may sometimes give you a hard time, but because there's some kind of, this rivalry, kind of funny feeling sometimes of Brijvasis in the Bengali section. But that's all lokik vichar. And one has to transcend all that and seek his fortune. So don't have any fear. I don't have any fear. And if I'm born in a family of Nimbarkis and they turn me into a Nimbarki, there's no loss, I don't mind. I'll end up in the same Nikunja with the same Radharani and the same Krishna.
Yes. All Sampradaya go to the Kunj.
Oh, that's nice. All Sampradayas go to the Kunj. That's eloquence. He's eloquence in how do you say in Hindi? Eloquence. Like sutra. Eloquence means sutra. The word eloquence means essential truth spoken concisely. And that's a concise definition of the word eloquence. It's like sutra. So Panditji spoke an eloquent statement. Essential truth spoken concisely. All Radha and Krishna Sampradayas end up in the Kunj.